Welcome to the My Business Manager QuickStart video. Within the next few minutes, I'm going to show you My Business Manager, show you how to connect to your QuickBooks data within seconds, and then how to get started generating your first managerial reports. Stay with me since I'll be moving pretty fast. First, open My Business Manager. You'll be brought to the home page that you see every time you open the program. The first thing we'll do is link My Business Manager to our data files. We do this by selecting the third button on the left that says Import Data. As you can see, there are currently 3 different methods to connect your data: Mind Your Own Business, QuickBooks, and Excel. My information is in QuickBooks, so I will select QuickBooks and browse the directory to find my QuickBooks data file. Once I've selected the file, I will select Import and click Yes. The file is now being read directly from its native format by My Business Manager, and all of the data is being imported. As an Intuit Gold partner, we have access to the Intuit Development Kit and are able to read the files directly in their native format, so there's no need to key in any new data. The import time will vary depending on the size of your QuickBooks data. Mine has a lot of demo information, so it's fairly large. Once it completes the import, My Business Manager will show a screen that allows you to view the default mapping of the QuickBooks data as it was brought into My Business Manager. Usually everything comes in perfectly. However, I recommend that you scroll down the fields the first time to verify that everything looks like it was properly imported. In our case, everything looks correct, so we select Import. Now that everything is imported, let's see how easy it is to view our data. We'll select the top button, which says Dashboards. The program is pre-configured with a default set of dashboards ready to go. Let's select the date range and see what it gives us. As you can see, our default dashboard is created within seconds. Ours defaults to a PDF file, so we can easily print it or email it for review. The real strength of My Business Manager is creating custom reports. Let's go back and see how easy it is. Let's say we want to create a report for sales. Let's edit the default dashboard. We'll select the title and rename it. Then we click on the tabs of information available and pick any of the over 250 pre-designed options we'd like to see in our custom reports. We select OK when we're done. We return to the previous screen and we press OK again to see our new dashboard in seconds. Notice it now contains the exact information we set up for sales. We can repeat this process and create and save other custom dashboards for other departments. Now that we've seen the dashboards, let's move on to reports. We select the second button labeled Reports. This will generate our executive summary. Let's pick a date range at random and see what it generates. We press OK. Notice that it is cycling through the screens and database as it quickly generates our custom reports. And within seconds, we have a PDF report that shows us our data. I'm going to scroll through the report until I land on a feature that is fairly unique to My Business Manager: a red light, green light report. Let's zoom in to make it easier to use. This report tells a non-accountant whether or not there are any problems in their business. If it is red, there's a big enough variance that they may wish to investigate. If it is green, then everything should be fine. The last thing I'll point out is the tabs at the top. These allow you to enter custom data into the reports for various what-if scenarios. My Business Manager includes hundreds of reports, is extremely easy to use, and will help everyone in the business get the information they need to become a better business manager. Thanks for watching.